In this quick guide, you'll learn how to link your GO2BANK account to Chime effortlessly. Whether you're managing multiple accounts or just want to streamline your banking processes, linking these accounts can be a real time saver. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open your Chime app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, make sure you sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of options on your dashboard. To proceed with linking your accounts, look for the option labeled Move Money. This is where you'll initiate the process of transferring funds between different banks. After tapping on Move Money, you'll want to select Transfer from Other Banks. This option allows you to connect and manage transfers from external accounts, which is exactly what we need to do with GO2BANK. A new screen will appear, and here you'll see an option that says Link External Account. Go ahead and tap on that, then press Continue to move forward. Now, it's time to search for GO2BANK. You'll be prompted with a search bar where you can type in GO2BANK. Once it appears in the list, tap on it. This will direct you to a secure login page for GO2BANK. Here, you'll need to enter your GO2BANK credentials. Make sure you have them handy and enter them carefully to avoid any errors. After logging in, you might need to complete a quick verification process. This could involve entering a code sent to your registered email or phone number, so keep an eye out for that. Verification is key to ensuring that your accounts are securely linked. Once verified, you'll be able to select your GO2BANK account from the list. Next, tap Continue to finalize the linking process. Chime will confirm that your GO2BANK account is now successfully linked. And that's it! You've just connected your GO2BANK account to Chime, making it easier to manage your finances all in one place. Linking your accounts can seem a bit daunting at first, but with these steps, you've seen just how straightforward it can be. Now, you can enjoy the convenience of transferring funds between your Chime and GO2BANK accounts whenever you need. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore more tutorials for other banking needs. Thanks for watching and happy banking.